So some places have started to open up. The distance has now gone to kind of 1 meter, and I think this is an important point to take some time to reflect. And like you, I've been thinking about my immunity and how important it is right now with the coronavirus. So in this video, I'm going to give you some key points to support your immunity. So my first point would be is to look after our hidden friends, which sounds a bit weird, but we have 38 trillion different types of bacteria down there, and it's really important to nourish them. So how do we nourish them? Well, first of all, it's getting our 30 grams of fiber a day, and it's eating a diverse diet, lots of different fruit and vegetables. So 70% of our immune system is down there in our gut. So it's really key. The next point is shut your eyes more and sleep. Sleep is so important. And I know at night time, if you're like me, I always get distracted by Netflix or YouTube, but setting some boundaries and sleeping more is so important for our immunity. Getting a good solid 7 to 8 hours. It also affects our metabolism and whether we gain or lose weight as well. It affects our hormones. A study in 2013 found that a week of sleep deprivation altered 711 genes, which play a role in our immunity as well. The next one is copper. Now, copper is key in many enzymes, which plays a role in our immune system. So where can you find copper? You can find it in oysters, liver, chickpeas, leafy greens, nuts. So yeah, getting copper down you and including some of those foods will help with support your immunity. Now, point number 4 you're gonna love, it's garlic. Now, I'm a sucker for garlic. I love it in food. I'm a massive fan of garlic bread. But garlic is great because it's got a compound in there, and that compound helps to keep our immune system healthy and fight infections. It's called allicin. Next up is almonds. I love the flaked almonds. I toast them, put them on salads. You can put that on soups. You can put it on your overnight oats, for example. And almonds is it's got full of healthy fats. It's got vitamin E in it, and it's an antioxidant. So this is all going to help to support our immune system. And lastly, my last point is don't be so hard on yourself. I mean, even me as a coach, I'm always coaching people on being more kind and self-compassion, but even I'm always being hard on myself and comparing myself to the ideal in my mind, and but being stressed out and putting pressure on yourself affects and alters the different types of bacteria down there, and isn't good for anyone. So, and stress does weaken our immune system. So prioritize this. You know, what can you do to make your life less stressful? You know, what can you start saying no to maybe? But comment below on your favorite point in this. Is there anything that you didn't know, or what did you learn today? And by the way, for those who want to carry on the coaching and want to learn with me and have me as your coach holding your hand, then I've developed a program all about supporting our immunity. It's very immersive. I'll be holding hands, step-by-step guide, and we'll be looking at creating a meal plan for you and also coaching you through your sleep and your healthy habits and all the different components that makes our immunity. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in next week's video.